Create and use holistic rubrics to evaluate learners based on a single criterion. This tutorial shows how to create a holistic rubric. To begin, from the Rubrics page, click New Rubric. Enter a name for the rubric. You must publish a rubric before it can be used in assessment. It is important to change the rubric status from draft to published if you want to use it. Enter a description for the rubric to explain to learners how you will use it to assess their work. To make your rubric holistic, click the Rubric Type menu and select Holistic. Select the number of levels you need for your rubric. Levels determine the number of rows for your rubric. The single criterion and its associated description and feedback display as a row. Select your scoring method. Scoring methods include text-only or percentages. For more information about available methods, click What are scoring methods? In this example, we will use the default percentages method. When you are ready, click Save. To edit your rubric's levels, click Levels. Here, you can reverse the order in which the levels display. Add new levels using Add New Level before or Add New Level after, respectively, at any time. To remove a level, click Delete Level. Edit the level titles. Rubrics autosave your changes. Next, update the level percentages and add details to inform learners how to achieve each level of the rubric. When adding rubric details, you will be able to include basic HTML markup, such as bold, italics, and unordered lists. Next, add initial feedback if desired. Note, initial feedback does not have HTML capability. When you are ready, click Close. Your rubric displays. Create and use holistic rubrics to evaluate learners based on a single criterion.